Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Love is beautiful. Love is something that needs to be celebrated. The king of the Zulu nation, and njengoba sazi ukuthi ke ihambile ke laphayana ngeweekend yashada unomzamo Myeni of Jozini njengo wesine wakhe. Ubese khuluma ke nabezindaba just quickly after kade benza inqumo, and but before that, as the member of the church of the Shembe church, uthe kanye angithi naye he's a member of the church, kanjalo noNomzamo is the member of the Shembe church. Uthe ke lapha esenza ke ifungo ba serious ngento kaShembe ngalendlela ukuthi the wedding started on Friday, but then bawu skip Saturday, hence baze ke baqedela ngeSonto, because on Saturdays they're not supposed to do anything ngoba yini usuku okuhlonishwa ngalo kwaShembe. Bese khuluma ke laphaya kugcwele wapromise nakuphambi kwaShembe wathi I will never leave this wife no matter what can happen to her. What only if, as her lawful husband had found her in bed with another man, then mhlambe ngingamshiya. Esho lawo mazwi esmile wathi kodwa njengamanje kulomhlaba there is nothing that would make me leave this woman, because I'm the one who chose her and I'm the one who actually loves her, and I promise to be there for her until she dies. The king Mrs. Lokusho lokho nje, even though he is legally married to Queen Tokozo Maisela and is also married to Queen Nozizwe Mulela waseSwatini, kanti ke usanda kushada ke no Princess Sihleke Mdlulu ke or even though they haven't paid lobola, of which I think maybe it's because he wanted to pay for lobola, but he left Ugamaisela and he also left Queen Nozizwe. But with this one, he said no matter what happens, oh baba azwane inhlanhla nomzamo wazwana umhlanhla uMamyeni wathi no matter what happens, the king says no matter what happens, I will never leave this wife. That's what I can tell. Uphinde ke wa reveal ke futhi ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe yokuthi isiqhumo sakhe sokuthi ashade uMamyeni sisuke ngaphakathi enhlizweni after ke inkinga lezi eziningi kade lokho engazi bayashada bezama ukushada sekuphela unyaka wonke umshado ungenzeki. Uthe futhi ke wasethi ke iphinde yakhuluma ke inkosi yamaZulu yathi singeke ngizwe sengizwile abantu abaningi bekhuluma bethi hawu uyishada kanjani umuntu onengane. Uthi I have had rumors and people saying that Mamyeni has got kids from previous relationships and other stuff. If you love a person, you just love. I would follow my heart. Yo, uthike uyazi ukuthi unengane futhi nathi sihlezi sikhuluma sithi unengane, but yena he followed his heart because uyamthanda. Uthike if the Mdlombas Myenis gave me a closed book with issues, I will fix it myself without any worries. The king of the Zulu nation says if the abantu baka Myeni bemnikeze incwadi ibhuku elinenkinga ezithile ngaphakathi, it's okay, uzothatha ke lebhuku lelivaliwe alivule and then he will fix anything and everything that needs to be fixed, because yena ulandele inhliziyo yakhe wasethatha uMamyeni as the wife. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ke uMamyeni as the very first wife kubona bonke kuyena ogcagcele ukuthi ungenile emagcekeni wangeniswa ngokwesiko. The other 3 wives or 2 wives, even uKaMaisela, they've never done that. It was just done through books, but there were no msebenzi eshoyo ukuthi ke njengamanje uyangena emagcekeni. And 2, also she is the only one onengane and is the first one ongenile emagcekeni ngokomthetho kuyena ozele ngaphandle ongenangane with the king. KaMaisela has got kids zonke belong to the king yokuqala yokugcina. The Swatini one does not have kids, akanazo zakhe akanazo futhi with the king. And uSihleke, she's just got in, she's still young, but she's got a child also Sihle from the previous relationship. But this one is chosen. Sizokhumbula ukuthi so many things happen with uMamyeni wanting to lalela ubufuna lo mshado, and there were a time there were times where bamshiya kuvula iparliament bamshiya ngena moto. Guys, no, that woman has been through a lot, and I'm so happy with the fact that this man decided I got that phela. What do you think, guys? What happened? What changed the king of the Zulu nation ukuthi agcine semthatha ke uMamyeni angagcina ngokumthatha athi if the Myenis gave me a closed book, I will fix it to myself.